Have ever wondered how your thoughts could shape your reality? Imagine having the power to attract the life you desire, simply by harnessing the energy within you. Welcome to the ultimate guide to the law of attraction, where we dive deep into the secrets of manifesting your dreams. In a world where possibilities are as vast as the stars, there exists a timeless principle that empowers us to shape our own destinies. Welcome to a journey of understanding and mastery, the ultimate guide to the law of attraction. As we embark on this exploration, prepare to unveil the secrets behind how thoughts become reality and intentions turn into achievements. The law of attraction is a powerful force that is woven deeply into the fabric of our life, not just a frivolous idea. By bridging the gap between science and mysticism, we will learn how our ideas produce energies that the cosmos responds to. We'll explore the fascinating relationship between our inner world and the exterior reality we perceive, from the delicate dance of quantum particles to the astounding power of focused intention. As we venture further, you'll discover that the law of attraction isn't about wishful thinking, but rather a deliberate practice that requires understanding, intention, and alignment. We'll dive into the core elements that fuel this universal law: clarity in desires, a positive mindset, and the art of visualization. Together, we'll explore techniques that empower you to paint vivid mental pictures of your goals, activating a magnetic pull that draws your aspirations closer to realization. Starting this journey of transformation is not without difficulties. There may be doubts, concerns, and setbacks, but do not be alarmed. We will overcome these challenges with resiliency and purpose. By the time you finish reading this book, you'll have the necessary tools to nurture a firm belief in your capacity to manifest greatness. We'll share actual success tales that encourage you to embrace the possibilities of the law of attraction by serving as an example to its evident impact on people's lives. The ultimate guide to the law of attraction invites you to embark on a voyage of self-discovery and empowerment. Together, let's tap into the wellspring of your desires, align with the rhythms of the universe, and uncover the secrets that have guided visionaries, entrepreneurs, and seekers for generations. Your destiny is within reach, and the journey begins now. Affirmatives play an important role in ultimate guide in law of attraction. This affirmation reinforces the idea that you attract what you focus on. By repeating it, you program your mind to seek and embrace opportunities for growth and prosperity. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine and witness the transformation they bring to your mindset. I effortlessly attract positive experiences into my life. I'm a powerful magnet for all that I desire. My thoughts are shaping my reality in incredible ways. Abundance flows to me from all directions. I believe in my ability to manifest my dreams. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity and success. Every day, I am attracting opportunities that align with my goals. My intentions create my reality. I choose positivity. I am open to receiving all the good the universe has to offer. Miracles happen effortlessly and naturally in my life. I am deserving of all the happiness and abundance in the world. My dreams are becoming reality with each passing day. I am in tune with the universe's abundant energy. My thoughts are powerful magnets for positive outcomes. I release any resistance and welcome the flow of abundance. I am the creator of my own destiny. I attract relationships that nurture and support my growth. I radiate positivity, and it influences everything around me. I am grateful for the blessings that come into my life. I am a co-creator of the universe's beautiful tapestry. I am in harmony with the natural rhythm of life. My mind is a reservoir of unlimited potential. I am attracting all that I need to achieve my goals. I trust in the process of the universe, and all is well. Prosperity and success are my birthright. I claim them now. I am a vessel of love, abundance, and positive energy. I let go of doubts and embrace my power to manifest. My dreams are expanding and evolving beyond my imagination. I am a magnet for joyful experiences and meaningful connections. I attract financial freedom and stability effortlessly. I am worthy of the best that life has to offer. My thoughts are catalysts for incredible transformation. I am open to receiving blessings from unexpected sources. I trust that the universe is conspiring in my favor. I am a beacon of light, attracting all that is good. Every day, I am becoming a more skilled manifester. I attract opportunities that align perfectly with my passions. I release any limiting beliefs that hold me back from success. I am living a life of purpose and fulfillment. My energy attracts positive people and situations into my life. I am attuned to the frequency of abundance and love. My intentions are like seeds, blossoming into reality. I am the architect of my dreams, constructing them with belief. Abundance is my natural state of being. I welcome it. I am worthy of achieving my wildest dreams and desires. I trust that the universe knows exactly what I need. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. My thoughts are like magnets, attracting my desires effortlessly. I am open to receiving guidance from the universe. My positive thoughts create a positive life experience. I am aligned with the universe's divine plan for me. I attract success, happiness, and fulfillment in all areas of my life. I release resistance and allow blessings to flow into my life. I am a conscious co-creator of my reality. I am grateful for the infinite possibilities available to me. My thoughts are aligned with the energy of prosperity. I am in perfect harmony with the law of attraction. I am a magnet for health, wealth, and happiness. I am constantly receiving the support I need to thrive. I attract abundance effortlessly, and it sustains me. I am a channel for universal abundance and love. My dreams are within reach, and I am worthy of them. I am grateful for the transformative power of the law of attraction. I am open to receiving miracles and blessings every day. I am the conductor of my own symphony of success. I attract experiences that align with my highest self. My thoughts are creating a reality that reflects my desires. I am a master at manifesting my heart's desires. I am living a life of purpose and passion. I release old patterns and make room for new blessings. I'm a magnet for positivity, abundance, and joy. My intentions have the power to shape my reality. I'm deserving of all the greatness that comes my way. I attract love, respect, and admiration from others. I am a vessel of divine energy, attracting miracles. I am open to receiving all the universe has to offer. My thoughts are creating a blueprint for my future. I am in alignment with my true purpose and potential. I attract solutions to challenges effortlessly. I am a magnet for success, and it gravitates towards me. I am a co-creator with the universe, designing my life. I release fear and doubt, embracing my inner power. My positive energy attracts positive outcomes. I am a conscious architect of my dreams and aspirations. I am grateful for the continuous flow of blessings in my life. I am aligned with the vibration of abundance and success. I attract opportunities that lead me to my highest good. I am open to receiving the abundance of the universe. My thoughts are powerful tools for shaping my reality. I am a magnet for all that is in alignment with my desires. I am worthy of achieving my goals and dreams. I attract supportive and loving relationships. I am grateful for the law of attraction's impact on my life. I am a conductor of positive energy, attracting positivity. I am open to receiving miracles and blessings every day. My thoughts are like seeds, manifesting my intentions. I am in harmony with the universe's divine flow. I attract prosperity and success with ease and grace. I am a magnet for opportunities that lead to growth. My intentions are powerful and capable of shaping my reality. To sum it up, dear viewers, I encourage you to harness the power of positive affirmations. These statements hold the potential to reshape your beliefs and thoughts, propelling you towards your goals. Repeat these affirmations daily, allowing them to infuse your subconscious mind with unwavering confidence and clarity.